Hello everybody, my name is Maximilian and welcome back to my channel once again. In this video, I'll be showing you how you can find and where you can find the links for such amazing products like these Jordan 4s and many other links to Chinese suppliers. Let's get started. By the way, don't forget to sign up to CNFans where you can find many amazing offers and deals. I highly recommend you guys checking them out. You have the spreadsheets down in the description. So alright guys, the first place where I recommend you to find links is my website called CNFans.com. And this is how the website looks like. As you can see, you have here the catalog. You can see the shoes, the t-shirts, the hoodies, sweaters, tracksuits. So this is how it all looks like, and when I press on the shoes, let's say, the shoes load up and you have different brands such as the Nike, Jordan, Asics, New Balance, Adidas, Babe, Amiri, Louis Vuitton, Timberlands and many other ones. You can just see the quality. This is how it all looks like, guys. Let's say I'm looking for the Timberlands, let's just click on them, and yeah, here we have the link, so let's just click on the link. Here we have the Timberlands with the real leather. This is how it all looks like. The quality is just amazing. And here you have the initial link which you can put to the CNFans and many different other agents. And here you have the straight link to the CNFans. Click on this and it takes you to the CNFans page where you can purchase the item. So now you can select your color, the size, let's say 42, and you can purchase this thing. So it's so simple, so nice, I like it a lot. Not only the shoes are available, as you can see, hoodies, you have the Broken Planets, let's say, pants as well, so it's just great. Sweaters and long sleeves, you can see everything, the Nike, let's say, the tracksuits, with many other ones available here, jeans and pants, shorts. As you can see, a ton of different items. Next up on the list are the spreadsheets. So under this video you will find a lot of cool spreadsheets like this one, let's say. And when you press on this, you have a lot of different items that show you the price, the brand's name, the category, and here's the link. So let's say I'm going to purchase, let's say, these UGG shoes. I just simply click on the link and I get to these. So I can just purchase this thing once again. It's so simple, so nice, and you have a ton of different products. The list just keeps on going, it never ends, and we are at, on this spreadsheet you have 1438 items available, so it's just amazing. Next up on the list are different Discord servers. So if you actually go into Discord, the CNFans, you have the link down in the description as well. You can find many different products and quality check items that people make. You can also ask for a link, and yeah, I'm sure that somebody will help you. As you can see, you can just look for an item. It's so simple. Simply ask people. The CNFans server on the Discord has roughly 274,000 active users, so it's just amazing. And we also obviously have the Reddit. So on Reddit you can always just see many different links and offers like this. The fashion rep is available to you. You can just look for some items here as well. So that's it as for today's video. I hope you found this thing helpful, and yeah, don't forget to check out my website, the CNFans. You can find amazing offers there, and sign up to CNFans for amazing shipping prices and times. For a pretty good shipping prices and times. That's it, that's for today's video. I hope you enjoyed this and see you in the next one. Bye!